Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add categories and subcategories in Shopify. So first of all, you have to open the Shopify, and once you are in Shopify admin, you want to go where it says online store, and then you want to go where it says navigation. Click on to navigation, and here you can see you got the footer menu, main menu at the top. So I'm going to click onto the main menu because that's where I want to add a category and subcategory. So I'm going to click add menu item, then I'm going to call this apparel, then I'm going to search here and I'm going to go to just select home page for this example and then click on to add. And now to add a subcategory into that apparel section, I'm going to click add menu item and then I'm going to type men's apparel, and then for this I'm going to search for a women's apparel, and then I'm going to search for a product. I'm going to select this, I just have random products, then click on add. Now all you need to do is you can see this little icon next to it on the left. If you highlight that and you move this to here, you can see now it goes underneath that, it's kind of shifted the right. So now if I save that, so once you have done that, you will be able to see here that this apparel now has a subcategory on it. If you click on that drop down, it's going to say men's apparel, then you can add something else and tap women's apparel, and then you can search for a product or a collection or something. So I'm going to choose this and click on to add, and then all you need to do is save the menu. And now you can see if I click this drop down, this is going to be a subcategory right here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.